Stay ahead by learning how AI tools can streamline tasks, improve focus, and unlock creativity using clear guidance, practical tips, and workflows built for results. Have you ever opened your workspace, stared at a blank page, and thought, yeah, I have no idea where to start? Now imagine if your workspace could actually think with you, write for you, organize everything, and even answer your questions instantly. That's exactly what this tool is trying to do. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm testing out something that's been popping up everywhere lately, and that is Notion AI. Now, if you already use Notion, this might completely change how you work, and if you don't, this might actually be the reason to start. Let's jump in. So basically, Notion AI turns your workspace into, well, an AI-powered assistant. From what I'm seeing here, it's not just about writing text, it's actually designed to help your entire team work inside one place. You can ask questions directly inside your workspace, generate content instantly, summarize notes or documents, and even search across all your apps. It literally says, meet your 24/7 AI team. And honestly, that's kind of what it feels like. Let's be real, most of us waste time jumping between tools. You've got notes in one place, tasks in another, files somewhere else, and when you need something, it turns into a full-on treasure hunt. What Notion AI is trying to do is bring everything together and then layer AI on top of it. So instead of searching manually, you just ask. Instead of writing from scratch, you get a starting point instantly. All right, let's go through what stood out to me. 1. AI chat inside your workspace. There's this clean interface that literally asks, how can I help you today? You can type anything, and it just responds right there. No switching tabs, no opening another tool, and I like that it connects with your apps. So it's not just generic answers, it actually pulls context. 2. AI meeting notes. This one's super useful. It can generate structured meeting summaries automatically, like key points, updates, and action items. So instead of writing everything manually, you just review and move on. 3. Enterprise search. This is actually powerful. It says it can find answers across all your apps, like Google Drive, Slack, and more. So instead of remembering where something is, you just ask and it finds it. 4. Automation and repeating tasks. There's a section showing workflows that run automatically, like weekly reports or updates, which means less manual work and more consistency. 5. Build agents. This part is interesting. You can create custom AI agents that handle repetitive tasks for you. So instead of doing the same thing over and over, you basically train the system once. Honestly, what I like most here is how integrated everything feels. It doesn't feel like AI slapped onto a product. It feels like the AI is actually part of the workspace. And the interface is super clean too. Like, it's not overwhelming. Everything looks simple, but behind it, there's a lot going on. All right, let's talk pricing real quick. From what I see, there's a free plan to get started, then a plus plan at $10 per user per month, a business plan at $20 per user per month, and an enterprise plan with custom pricing. The higher tiers include things like Notion AI features AI meeting notes, enterprise search, advanced permissions and integrations. So yeah, it scales depending on how serious your workflow is. So overall, Notion AI feels less like a feature and more like a full upgrade to how you work. If you already use Notion, this is definitely worth trying. And if you don't, this might actually be the reason to start. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.